Y'all, she floats like a butterfly and she stings like a bee. That's cause she's the daughter of Muhammad Ali. That's right. We're talking woman's boxing champ, Dancing with the Stars finalist, and home cook with an eye on nutrition. Layla Ali is in my kitchen today, y'all, and we've got a menu of hearty favorites that's gonna knock you out. Get ready to rumble! For dessert, spiced hot apple cider.
Let's do it, Paula.
Let's do it. I have been so excited about Layla coming to the kitchen with me because she took on several things before she decided to attack the kitchen, didn't you?
Yes.
In your professional life, y'all undefeated.
That's right.
Undefeated.
I'm undefeated in the kitchen too, though, Paula.
Uh-oh. I'm scared. Well, we're gonna have such fun today. What do you say, let's get ready to rumble?
Let's go, you know how to do that.
Our baked apples are out. I've got a little ice cream to go with them.
Yes.
Do your children like ice cream?
Now we're talking. Well, one of them does.
And we're gonna make us an apple cider, y'all, to go along with this. We've got 64 ounces of apple cider there and a couple of cups of orange juice.
Let me pour that on in
Please, I'm gonna turn that on. And we're gonna make us a little spice sachet. And we're using cinnamon, cloves, cardamom pods, and I'm gonna take just a little bit of orange rind, y'all. And we're gonna stick that in there. We're just gonna tie this up. I may need your help, Layla, in this. If you just take that string, we're gonna drop those in and let those spices just permeate. Just gonna drop that down in there and come on down here now and let's dip up our apples.
Is this vanilla ice cream my favorite?
Yeah.
I'm super excited.
I am too. I'm swallowing very, very hard.
Excited. Yeah, get that. Okay.
Look at all that raisin goodness and
Wow.
brown sugar goodness.
This is so good. I'm adding a few things to my arsenal.
All right. I think this might be hot enough. I really would have liked a little bit longer for this to simmer. You could put it in a crock pot. Do you do a lot of
I do,
crock
yes.
pot?
It's easy because you can just leave it alone. You don't have to think about it.
Right. I think a crock pot is maybe a woman's best friend.
That's one of the best
Next
inventions.
to her diamonds. So, what you think?
Very good.
It's good, isn't it?
You know, I really have enjoyed myself. I had some good food, good dessert.
Thank
now I get a
you.
nice warm drink.
Thank you.
The Southern
You know,
hospitality. I really love
You're
you.
welcome to come back anytime,
Thank
honey.
you, and I will. I will
Anytime.
definitely be back.
I would love to have you. You have just been a wonderful, wonderful friend in my kitchen this afternoon.
Thank you.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.